Welcome to this platform tutorial video. This is Jai Gallo with Platform. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send a broadcast message to all of your members inside of your membership area. This is a notification that your members will receive inside of their dashboard. This is useful for engagement and keeping all of your members up to date about what's going on inside of your membership site or your course. If at the end of this video you have any questions about how to send out broadcasts or anything else about Platform, you can reach out to us at the Support Hub by clicking Support Hub. You can go through all of our FAQs that you are first presented with. These are simply drop-down menus with videos inside of them. You can check them out, go through all of them, and get answers quickly. You can also, on the second one, register for our live streams where on a weekly basis, I am going over everything inside of Platform and answering everybody's questions so that they can best utilize Platform for their business. So click this button to register for the next upcoming live stream. If you have a unique question, you can also chat with us live through our private direct one-to-one chat system. You can also submit a ticket. Alternatively, at the top, you can click Help Doc, and it's going to take you to our knowledge base, where you'll be presented with a search bar that you can start typing in anything that you're looking for, or you can just click Help Docs and go through and get direct technical documentation on everything that Platform has to offer. Also, if you have a Platform account, check this out. Every person who signs up for a Platform account gets a free t-shirt. You can log into your free t-shirt, select your size, add it to cart, and then check out, and a discount will be applied that will take this $40 down to zero. 100% free t-shirt just for joining Platform. And if for some reason you don't have a Platform account, you need to go to platformarea.com today, right now, and grab yourself a free trial so that you can get one of these free t-shirts and so that you can build a massive online business. Now back to broadcasts. So to send a broadcast to all of our members, what we are going to do is we're going to go down to app settings and we're going to look in these tab buttons here and we're going to find broadcast. We're going to click broadcast. And now we're in our broadcast notification center. And what we can do is we can actually type in any text or send any images or GIFs or anything we want to all of our members. So let's go ahead and send one right now. New course dropping tomorrow. This is the message I'm going to send to all of our members, and then I'm going to add a GIF. Let's add this rocket ship here. So I'm going to click the paperclip, and then from my list of images, I'm going to select that. I'm going to click open. And now here it is inside of our broadcast, and I'm going to send this to all of my members inside of my membership site. All I have to do is click send to all. And now we did that, and on the side here you can see sent notifications, and you can see 1 second ago we sent the new course dropping tomorrow broadcast. Now currently for this demo account I only have 2 members, but what happened was that broadcast got sent out to both of these members' dashboards. So let's log into Nikola Tesla's account and just see that actual notification. So I'm going to copy his login email. And I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and then I'm going to click view the application. And that's going to take me to my login page for this demo account. I'm going to paste in his login credential, type in his password, and I'm going to click enter. And now you can see there's a notification, a new notification for us. So when Nikola Tesla logs into his membership site, which he should be doing on a daily basis if you are producing awesome content inside of it, or if you have an awesome course, you're gonna have people in here every day, all the time, day and night. Nikola Tesla logs in and he sees, oh, I have a new notification. So all he has to do is he can click that, read that, and it's gonna take him to the notification center, and he can actually see the notification that we sent. So that's an awesome way to get your message out and to continually engage with all of your members. Another way to send a site-wide broadcast to all your members is to go to Members, and you can select your members, and then you can perform a member action by doing Send Broadcast, and that'll do the same thing. It's just a different way to do it. And that way you can also segment out who you want to broadcast these to. So you can do a specific advanced search, a different filter, and then send out a broadcast to those specific people. We have specific instructions in another help documentation tutorial video on exactly how to do that then, if you want to check that out. But that is how easy it is to send a message to all of your members inside of your members area. We also are going to be upgrading this on a continual basis and making your notifications even more complex and giving you more customization on being able to engage directly with your members inside of your membership site. If you have any further questions on how to utilize the broadcast feature inside of Platform, go ahead and drop us a line inside of the support hub in the live chat, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. But until then, I will talk to you on the next Platform tutorial video.